Welcome to my YouTube channel Statisticians Club. I hope everyone is fine. Please subscribe the channel, also press bell icon to receive latest videos. In this video I explain numeric data type. In R, a variable or series will be stored as numeric data if the values are in numbers or in decimals. So if our data set constitute in numbers or in decimals, in both cases it should be numeric. Numeric is the default data type in R. Examples of numeric data type are 1, 5, 7, any whole number, 34.5, 2.4, 3.14, minus 24 are the examples of numeric data type. In other words, if you assign one or several variables to an object, it will be stored as numeric by default. Now we perform this in R. X is variable name, get sign. C for vector, I provide a series of data 5, 7, 8, enter. Now I read my variable, I write X. Here is the dataset that I stored or I provide to R, 5, 7 and 8. Now I check its class. So class, which type of data? So I check it by class function. So it is numeric. Now I provide data with that decimal. .5 enter. For the purpose to check data is stored, I write the variable name. There is our dataset 5.5, 7.2, 8.9. Now I check its class because it is in decimal. Class Y, enter. So this is also numeric data set. So here you can see by default if you provide any data set to R, it is should be numeric. Numeric data constitute on whole numbers as well as on decimal. This is the first type of data set. In the next videos I also explain integer and other types of data set like character, string. So numeric functions. Let us we see the numeric functions in our functions, and this is the description. Absolute ABSX, this is used for absolute value. Ceiling X, it is ceiling and write any number. So you got the upper value 3.4. So ceiling means it convert the values into upper set, so the answer is 4. If you have data set 5.5, answer is 6. 6.1, answer will be the 7 in ceiling function. So for square root, sqrtx is the used floor function. Floor convert the decimal point in the downward number. So 3.4 with the floor function you got 3. With 6.2 with floor function you got 6. 7.9 with floor function you got answer of 7. So for natural logarithm log of x, trunk for trunk function, trunk of x, trunk convert only in integer, the value which is the right side from decimal point. So trunk function removes removes this portion. 5.99 we got 5. 6.2 we remains answer with 6. 8.9 we remains answer with 8. So it removes the decimal portion and this portion it provides the answer, the convert in a integer shape, trunk function. So if you want to round to which digit you want to round x digits is equal to n. So if you round 3.475 with 2 digits, so write this round 3.475 comma digit 2. So common log of x for significant, you if you want to signify 3.475 to which digit is equal to 2, you got the answer of significant. For exponent, e की power x expx you can use, and for cos, sine and tan of theta we use cos function, sine and tan of x. So these are the example of numeric functions. If you want to see video for assigning the variable on trunc function, log function, click the link in front of your screen. Thanks for watching.